Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial on Master Data Management MDM in SQL Server. Well, first of all, we must know what exactly is Master Data Management. MDM stands for Master Data Management, is a set of a process of tools that ensure data accuracy, consistency, and accountability of organization critical data asset. It helps create a single authoritative source of truth for key entities such as customers, product, and supplier, which is crucial for effective decision making and operational efficiency. Implementing master data management in SQL Server allows organizations to harness the power of relational databases to store, manage, and maintain high-quality master data. By using SQL Server, you can leverage its robust data management capabilities, data integrity feature, and security options to ensure your master data is reliable and easily accessible. Okay, we follow master data management in 7 steps just for SQL Server. First of all, we talk about data modeling. Okay, create a master data model. You must design a schema that represents the master data entity like customer, product, and so on, and their attributes. Use primary key, ensure that each master record has a unique identifier. Okay, and we have a master table here. Okay, and this master table is about customer, and here implement primary key that ensure us all values in this column is unique. Okay, and okay, next step is a source system to track where the data originated. Okay, you can see here a source system table with the two columns, source ID and source name. Okay, and third step in this stage is a customer source to manage relationship between customer and source system. And here, primary key implemented in first column, and here, and create a relationship with two previous entities. Okay, first master table, and second is a source system table. Okay, and second step is data integration. Data integration maybe has a two process, ETL or ELT. Use SQL Server. Use SQL Server integration service SSIS to extract, transfer, and load data from various sources system into your master data table. And you must do some other something. I mean data cleansing, implementing data cleansing processes to ensure data quality and consistency before loading it into the master data store. And data integrations ETL process. Use SQL Server service SSIS to extract data from multiple sources like a CRM, ERP, and load it into a staging table. Okay, and here we have an example for a staging table. Okay, you can see a staging table like a staging ID, and here source ID, source record ID, and create date. And in SSIS package or other technologies that you can use them, extract data from source systems, transform and cleanse data, and removing duplicate records, and finally load data in staging tables. And third step is data quality management. Okay, first step is the validation rules. Create a store procedure or use SQL constraint to enforce data quality rules. And duplicate detections, implement algorithm. Implement algorithm to identify and merge duplicate records. And for example, you can create store procedures to validate and cleanse data before merging into the master table. Okay, you can see here a standard phone number is a role. It's a role for a phone number, and here remove duplicates based on an email. Okay, and fourth step is a security. Access control. Use SQL Server's security features to manage who can access or modify master data. Implement role-level security and access control to ensure only authorized users can access or modify master data. Okay, you can see here, create role and grant permission to a specified role. Okay, and next step is reporting and analytics. Create view and reports to allow users to analyze master data. Create view and store procedure to facilitate reporting and querying of master data. And you can integrate with BI tools like a Power BI, Tableau, and other tools for analyze and visual master data. You can see a simple example that created a view for show a customer table. And next step is monitoring and auditing. Implementing monitoring and auditing mechanism help track changes made to master data, providing a record of who made changes and when. Why it's important? Auditing is essential for compliance and regulatory standard and for maintaining data integrity. It enables organizations to identify unauthorized changes and ensure accountability in data management practices. Okay, and and we will implement triggers to audit changes made to the master data, ensuring compliance and accountability. You can see here define trigger for update and delete. Okay, and insert after update and delete. Okay, and here insert a log record in customer audit. And in this video we have walked through a comprehensive implementation of master data management in SQL Server, covering data modeling, ETL processes, data quality management, merging, governance, reporting, and auditing. By understanding both the concept and SQL code, you will be well equipped to implement master data management in your own environment. Master data management is not just about technology. It's a strategic approach to managing critical data that can significantly impact your organization efficiency and decision making. Thank you for watching, and let's take your data management skill to next level. Bye.